Today in this video, I will discuss GA4 e-commerce event tracking with GTM. So let's start. So first of all, go to your Google Tag Manager account. This is my Google Tag Manager account. So I need first of all this website to connect with Google Analytics. So that's why I select tag and new tag, and then tag configuration. Then select Google Analytics, then select Google tag ID. That means my need Google Analytics ID. That's why I go to the Google Analytics admin section, then go to the data stream. So just click data stream, then click this data stream. Then you can see measurement ID. Just copy this ID, go to the tag manager and paste here. Type here tag name. So this tag name is GA4 config tag. Trigger in all pages. Save. Submit. Go to your website and you can see check like tag assistant, Google tag assistant latency. So refresh this site, enable assistant, then you can see Google tag is already connected like my G4 ID 06DN, and you can see 06DN my measurement ID. So already Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager 2 website connected properly. So go to the GA4 recommended parameter. Like first of all, I need a view item. So I need this parameter, currency, item and value. So first of all, go to the Google Tag Manager account and just preview, just connect this site. So I need a view item. So I select one product. You need a variable. First of all, select like this and go back your tag assistant, and you can see view item is already fired this event. Go to the data layer and you can see this. So I need a currency items value. That's why just click in data layer icon. I need a view item. I need a currency items and value, right? So currency already this variable is tree tag and new tag configuration Google Analytics. Just select Google Analytics GA4 event. I need a measurement ID, right? That's why. So tag and new tag configuration Google Analytics GA4 event. Just select your measurement ID. Event name is view ID, right? So just copy and paste here. Need a variable like I need a variable name is currency items and hello. So already this value is created. So DLP currency. Then I need a value. Just value. And this tag name is GA4 view items trigger, custom trigger. That's why I select plus icon, trigger configuration, select custom event, needs a view item, right? That's why view item select. So this is a GA4 view. I select this name, that's why I write here, save and submit. So I want to this is properly working or not. This way I check. So just first of all go to the your Google Analytics account and data display and just select debug view. Okay, you can see this is Google is connected. Preview your site. So I starting preview, then just select one product, select color and go to the your assistant. You can see GA4 view item is spare, right? You can see is properly work. So go to the your Google Analytics account and hopefully you can see view item is parameter like value and currency is show this parameter. So this is my today video. If you need any help, you can feel free contact.